Namaskar, welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatanatyam. In today's video, I'm going to share with you few mistakes you might be doing for Natta Adavu 4th and 5th. For Natta Adavu 1st and 2nd, I have already made the video. The link you can find it over here as well as in the description box below. Now let's talk about first the legs. The first mistake for the 4th one. Now, I'm going to pause here and tell you, if you have not learned the proper legs of 4th Natta Adavu or 5th Natta Adavu, kindly refer to this particular video and you can find the link in the description box below. Okay, I'm just going to give you some tips and tricks to improve Natta Adavu 4th and 5th. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm going to turn this side and show it to you. When you extend your foot, this happens. Your body is halfway through here. Instead of that, just place the leg forward. Okay? Now, rest of the thing is same. So, tayyum, tatta, tayyum, ta. This is like the same as we have done it in the first Natta Adavu. So, the first mistake you will be doing is letting go your leg too much and the body is also going forward. Now, let's move on to the body. Okay, upper body. Again, I'm going to turn this side. So, when you extend your arm, what happens is you slouch like this. Instead of that, keep your back straight and then extend your hands. Now, however you have learned the hands, whether it is pointing towards your toe or leg. I prefer the second one. The hand should be parallel to your legs. Okay. So when you're extending your hands, make sure that your back is flat and it's not slouched. Do not let go your shoulders or arch your back. So keep your back steady whenever you dance. Okay. Now, easiest way to do this, I have mentioned in one of my videos, that also I will link it in the description box below, that how your posture should be, how your Aramandi should be, how your Natarambha should be, all of that we have learned already. So, let's try this hands and legs with this new tips, okay? So, you go first. Tai, yum, tat, ta, tai, yum, ta, tai, yum, tat, ta, tai, yum, ta. Tai, yum, tat, ta, tai, yum, ta, tai, yum, tat, ta, tai, yum, ta. Now, if you have watched the video until here, I'm going to give you one extra tip. When you're extending your foot, do not let go to the side. So, you have to maintain this particular position, which is called Anchita position. So, do not let go your leg anywhere. Okay, this will actually maintain the line from your hip to your toe, and it will be easier for you to bend forward when you have that. So, your calf muscles should feel the tension, and that's how your 4th Natta Adavu will look clean. Now, let's talk about the mistakes you might be doing in Natta Adavu 5th one. First, legs. Again, when you extend your foot, make sure that you are sitting in Aramandi position and not getting up from Aramandi position to put your weight in front. The other thing which you might be doing, which will make you struggle in the third speed as well, which is hand, where you are keeping your hand. When you are extending your hand, whether you're pointing it towards your foot or parallel to your foot, see what happens is when you're halfway there, it becomes very difficult for your body to come back. Yeah. So what you need to do is extend your hand as much as your body is allowing you to do and then pick it up. Yeah, it will be easier. The next mistake I'm going to point out is very commonly I see in my students also when they do or learn for the first time is when you do this, the other hand where the other hand is going. Yeah. So you have to be very mindful of the other hand. So other hand has to be in the Natta Adavu position, and then you extend. So see, you have to keep that in your mind that this hand should not leave its position of Natta Adavu. So it should look like this. Let's try hands and legs together. Okay. Tai yum. Tat ta tai yum. Ta tai yum. Tat ta tai yum. Ta tai yum. Tat ta tai yum. Ta tai yum. Tat ta tai yum. Ta. If this video is helpful for you, share with your dancer friends, and I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.